Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring Xbox Game Bar is enabled in Settings because it's the built-in recorder and needs permission. Once done, open the specific app or window you'll capture so audio and overlays focus correctly. Make sure background programs that use the microphone or GPU are closed to avoid conflicts. Now press Win+G to open Game Bar. If prompted, check the box saying, "Yes, this is a game," that grants recording access and exposes the capture controls. You now configure capture options so your recording looks and sounds right. In the capture widget, pick whether to include system audio, microphone, or both. This prevents silent clips or unexpected commentary. Then choose frame rate and quality, 30 FPS for standard, 60 FPS for smooth motion, because higher settings use more CPU and disk space. When ready, press Win+Alt+R to start recording and watch the little timer. Pressing Win+Alt+R again stops and saves You finish by reviewing the saved file in videos /captures and trimming small dead air with the Photos editor, because quick trims tidy your final video. If playback has no microphone or system audio, check Windows privacy settings for microphone and game bar permissions, and ensure the app isn't muted in the audio mixer. If you see dropped frames or lag, lower recording quality, close GPU-heavy apps, or update your display and audio drivers. Those steps resolve most performance issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.